Hey, what's up?
Did you watch Kalki?
Yes, I did.
It's crazy to see the movie getting an overwhelming response.
Yes, the Naga twin science fiction is getting an awesome response. But do you know how the Kalki avatar will come into this world according to Kalki Puran? Let's unveil. In Sanatana, time is divided into 4 yugas.
That is Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga and Kali-yuga, collectively known as a Mahayuga.
These 4 cycles rotate just like our calendar months.
Now we are living in Kali-yuga, which will last till 4,32,000 years. It is believed that we have already passed 5,000 years from the Battle of Kurukshetra or the end of Dwapar Yuga. That means we are still 4,27,000 years left for Kali-yuga to end.
According to Kalki Puran, Kalki will appear at the end of Kali-yuga, the current age of darkness and moral decline. His mission is to restore righteousness and dharma, paving the way to the start of the next Mahayuga.
Kalki Puran describes Kalki's birth in a village called Shambhala. He will be born in a Brahmin family to parents Vishnu Yasha and Sumati. The text vividly describes the divine omen and celebrations that will accompany his birth.
His arrival is prophesied to be a beacon of hope, as he will possess extraordinary powers and virtues. From a young age, Lord Kalki will exhibit the signs of his divine mission, training rigorously in the arts of war and spirituality.
As Kalki will mature, the world will be engulfed in chaos, immorality, and corruption. The Kalki Puran states that he will ride a white magnificent horse named Devdutt, wielding a blazing sword to vanquish evil forces and restore dharma.
He will be accompanied by powerful allies, the 7 st9zfs, including the 6th avatar of Lord Vishnu, says Parshuram, who will act as his mentor and guide. Together they will lead an army to cleanse the world from malevolent rulers and wicked beings.
The climactic battle of Kalki's mission will be against the demon Kali and his followers. This final confrontation symbolizes the ultimate triumph of good over evil and the end of Kali-yuga.
According to Kalki Puran, his victory will herald a new era, the Satya Yuga, an age of truth, virtue and righteousness. Peace and prosperity will be restored, and humanity will once again live in harmony with divine principles.
The Kalki avatar represents the cyclical nature of time and the perpetual battle between good and evil. His story is a reminder of the inevitable restoration of dharma, no matter how dire the circumstances.
Kalki's tale also emphasizes the importance of dharma, courage and faith in divine justice. It serves as an inspiration for individuals to uphold moral values and contribute to the betterment of the society.
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one unveiling a new story. Till then, be curious.